So, hello. You must be here because of the privacy control button in NVIDIA Shadow Play is missing. So, here's the case. I don't have privacy control button here. Now, I have a solution for this, but this will not work every time. So, quick disclaimer, I'm using a Legion Slim 7 with a 3050 Ti mobile GPU, and I'm using two monitors. The first one is my main one is the laptop integrated monitor, and the external monitor connected to this PC. Now, how to fix this problem? It's quite easy. You need to open NVIDIA control panel. You can open it by searching it here. NVIDIA control panel. Click it. So here we have the control panel. When you open the manage display settings, there are three options: the automatic select, Optimus, and NVIDIA GPU only. Note that this can only be changed if you are using only your main monitor, so you have to disconnect all external monitors. So we have the options available for us now. Here's the NVIDIA GPU only. Pick this option, then apply. Okay, so we can check here. Alt C, then go to privacy control. It's here. Now I can record my desktop.